In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you have the right permissions to install apps for your workspace. From the main Monday.com home screen, look toward the left-hand side or top navigation, depending on your layout, for the option that takes you to the apps marketplace. This is usually where you can browse and install new integrations. Click the marketplace highlight to open it up. In the search bar that appears, type in HubSpot. Give it a moment to load the results, and you should see an app that mentions managing all your HubSpot leads, contacts, and companies directly in Monday.com. This is the integration we want. Click that listing to open the app's details page. On the app page, you'll see more information about what this integration does. When you're ready to proceed, click the button that says Use App. This will start the process of adding HubSpot to one of your boards. Next, Monday.com will ask you to choose a board where you want to use this integration. Click on Choose a Board, and then select the board that makes the most sense for your team. In this example, we're choosing a board called Project. Click on that project board to confirm your selection. If it appears again as an option or in a confirmation pop-up, click on it once more to finalize. Now you'll be prompted to choose a workspace. This is helpful if you have multiple workspaces and want to keep things organized. Click on Choose a Workspace, then select the workspace where your chosen board lives and where you want this app to be available. Once your board and workspace are set, click on Add App. Monday.com will now attach the HubSpot app to that location. After it's added, go back to your board and look for the HubSpot option, usually in the board's Views or Integrations area, and click on HubSpot. You should now see an option to Use Template. Click Use Template to apply a pre-built setup that connects common HubSpot fields with Monday.com columns. This gives you a solid starting point without having to build everything from scratch. Finally, click on Connect. At this stage, you'll be guided through authorizing your HubSpot account and configuring your settings. Once your account is connected and configured, your integration between HubSpot and Monday.com is fully set up.